All right, happy snow NTI. Is that a thing? We are once again at home and we cannot work on our neurographic painting. I feel like that project is kind of cursed at this point, but we will paint, I promise, before we leave. We have 8 days left in art together if you don't count our Fridays, which I don't because I usually don't see you. So we got to make the most of it. So we're going to move forward on that digital mosaic. We talked about this on Thursday during the live class, and you guys voted that you wanted to skip the shading project and go straight into the digital mosaic, which is great. It works perfect for NTI. So we are not having a live class on Monday because it's hard to listen to a computer on your computer device. And a lot of us don't have two we can work with. So we're just going to have video recorded classes, and you can email me questions anytime you get stuck. This way you can pause me, rewind me, fast forward me if you don't want to hear me blather on. One tip is you want to be on a device that has a mouse or a trackpad. That's going to save your sanity for this. If you don't have that, just do your best. It works on a phone and it works on an iPad. It's just more finicky because of the pop-ups. If you can get to a desktop computer or a laptop or a Chromebook or something for this project, it will be a lifesaver and game changer for you. We'll be back in class and using the Chromebooks in school, but use what you have. And if you're having difficulty, just let me know and we'll try to work around a few things, but we can work. So you should be on your Google Drawing. You should have gone to the Google Classroom assignment for today for the 15th. And I automatically had a Google Drawing populate for you. So up here, it should say your name, digital mosaic. So you have your very own copy. So that's a copy you should be working on. You should have the picture you uploaded on Thursday or Friday of your digital mosaic image that I asked you to do. If you have not done that, you need to go do that assignment first and do this one second. So once you know where that photo is, and if you don't know where the photo is, you can always go back to that Google Classroom assignment, re-download that on the device you're working on, and then you have it. So I'm going to upload my image from my computer because that's where I saved it. Or you could drag and drop whatever. I have a lot of stuff on. I'm going to pick, let's see. I'll do my little corgi person. So you're just going to upload it. And mine already has the invisible transparent in the background, and that's great. But if I pick my other one that doesn't, that works too. So we're going to learn a few basic editing things in this video. So I have this sunflower picture. That's fine too. I don't know if I want to keep all of this. I might want to crop it. So if I want to crop it, I click so the blue corners are there. I'm going to come up to crop image, or I can right click and go to crop image and to get that thick black line. And I can just drag where I want it to be now. Maybe I want to get rid of some of the background because I don't want to do all that stuff. And I can hit enter and it crops it for me. So the first thing, you're going to insert your image. You're going to crop it down to what you think is manageable. Now, my photo is not filling my space. So what I want to do is go to blue corners, go to either the top or the bottom, and pull it diagonally. Don't start pulling it from the side like this because you'll distort your image. If that happens, just hit undo. So I know right now my sunflower is not going to fill the space, and that's okay. So I'm just going to take it. I'm going to line it up till it gets to the middle. I know it's the middle when I have the red bars, and I filled my space as best I could with my image. I have a little bit of transparent checkerboard here, and that's okay. Now, that's your first step. We inserted our image, we cropped our image down, and we made it fill the space. So that's enough for video 1. I'm going to make a second video to tell you how to start actually making your pieces.